Founded in 2007, Sinocastel is a leading national high-tech GPS tracker manufacturer that seamlessly integrates research and development, production, and global sales. Our primary mission is to advance the Internet of Vehicles, cargo trucks, and ships through sophisticated onboard terminals and customized hardware solutions. We operate our own specialized factory, which features a streamlined layout equipped with advanced automated production lines, precision testing equipment, and an efficient storage system. This infrastructure ensures that every product we create, from OBD devices and GPS trackers to asset trackers and T-boxes, meets the highest international standards from the initial design phase all the way through to final production. As China's first GPS positioning service provider to combine onboard terminal devices with communication and canvas technology, our hardware and solutions have become the backbone of modern fleet management, car insurance, vehicle rentals, and personal car services across various industries. Our journey of innovation truly accelerated in 2008 when we successfully developed an OBD device with advanced communication functions. This breakthrough allowed us to bridge the gap between internal car data and external wireless communication technology, a solution that has now been applied by more than 1,000 channel customers in over 150 countries worldwide. Today, Sinocastel is a major player in the IoT market. We focus heavily on the design of big data terminals, giving us the unique ability to process and manage complex data for automobile companies. We have also established deep research and cooperation with manufacturers in the new energy vehicle sector to push the boundaries of electronic vehicle technology. Looking toward the future, Sinocastel is committed to expanding our ODM projects. We aim to develop tailored, scalable solutions that meet the unique requirements of our clients while delivering products that are consistently reliable and innovative. Behind this technology is a positive and supportive company culture. Across every department, from engineering and PMC to sales and production, we foster an environment where teamwork and collaboration are highly valued. We work closely together to ensure a deep understanding of what our clients truly need. By aligning our technical expertise with real-world customer feedback, we are able to respond quickly, innovate effectively, and deliver high-quality solutions that consistently exceed expectations. We don't work in isolation. Sinocastel is a global collaborator, and we have established deep cooperation with many different platforms worldwide. Our hardware is designed to be highly compatible, allowing for seamless integration with a wide variety of cloud infrastructures and data management systems. This ensures our clients enjoy stable, reliable connectivity and versatile solutions across many different industries. Our commitment to excellence is proven. We have obtained numerous certifications to guarantee the highest levels of quality and safety for our products. When you choose Sinocastel, you are choosing a partner dedicated to reliability and innovative excellence. Ready to optimize your fleet? Click the bio below the video to contact our team today. Let's discuss how Sinocastel's tailored GPS solutions can bring precision and efficiency to your logistics operations.